Hi friends, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I would like to share one French auxiliary verb avoir. So in English, have. Okay, but first, before we start, what is an auxiliary verbs? Okay, and auxiliary verbs are the helping verbs. So in today's video, I'm talking about one French auxiliary verb, avoir. So in English, to have is in the present tense, an infinitive form. But what is an infinitive form? Okay, an infinitive form of the verbs are not yet conjugated. So we have to learn this to be able to speak in the past tense. Because on my next video, I would like to share how to conjugate a French verb to a past tense. And if you're interested in the conjugation of the French regular verb and the present tense, the link is in the description below. And now, let's start the auxiliary verb avoir. Okay, let's begin. Auxiliary verb avoir. Avoir in English, to have. Okay. I have. Tu as, you have, informal. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Vous avez, you have. Nous avons, we have. Ils ont, they have, masculine group. Elles ont, they have, feminine group. Okay, repeat. Avoir, to have. I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Vous avez, you have. Nous avons, we have. Ils ont, they have, masculine group. Elles ont, they have, feminine group. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day everyone. Bye-bye.